Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to download and install ChatGPT offline locally in your Windows machine. Okay, first thing first, open the Google Chrome, search for LLaMA Studio. After searching for this, you can write the AI locally, run the AI locally in your computer. Okay, after that, download for Windows. After that, I already download this file. You can download from here. After that, install it and you get this file. LLaMA Studio. Okay, for me, it's still downloading. This is the OpenAI GPT model, 20 billion words, I think, 12 gigabytes, and two other files still downloading. Harmony Windows and LM for NVIDIA codes. Okay, and let's see after download what's happening. Okay, fine, downloading is done. We have to press this button to load the model. It's loading right now. Look at the RAM. It uses 11 gigabytes of RAM. It's a lot for low PC. And for the CPU it uses nothing. Okay, for example, this. And let's see. Hi there, I can help you today. Okay, let's load the file and see what's happening. Okay, file attachment rack. You can download, upload PDF, docs, text, and CPC. Okay, let's use it offline and let's see it works or not. Let's close the internet from here. I close the internet. And let's see it works or not. Or ChatGPT. Okay, let's see. I want to create lesson plan for fourth grade lesson about school بلدك. Let's see it works or not. Okay, lesson plan, topic, my school bag, organization, responsibility. It works fine, but look at the CPU and the RAM. It uses a lot. And let's see task manager GPU. Performance. Look at it, look at it for the GPU. It uses 30% of the GPU. The power, the AI takes a lot of power. Okay, it works fine. Okay, top learning objects, grade style. Okay, it's still working. Differences, strategy, extensions. Close this. Let's put. Let's for example use an image. Upload file. This was an image, for example. Any type of what use? Text document, not image. Let's download, for example, Python and load it. Python PDF. Open the internet. Find choices. Let's try this Python course. It's in France, not a problem. Download it. Close the internet. And let's see what's happening with GPT. upload, download this, document this. Okay, Python. Resume this course. It's reading the file. All right, now deciding it's finished reading the file. It's still working. Let's see how many pages in this file to see. Oh, a lot of pages. 400 pages. It's a lot. Okay, 12 gigabytes. And fast. This is bot or worth plus. And would place you on this file. Okay, I resume for this work. It's not good for high work. For example, a PDF file for 2 pages. It's not good. Look at this. I couldn't find any citations in document relevant to this request. He didn't ask access to this request. For this, we can add for listening effort, medium, high. What do you want? Okay, thank you guys for watching this all for this tutorial. See you later on the next tutorial. Subscribe for the channel for more tutorials.